Hello everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. I'm c.lovely and today I'm putting in Marley Twists. So I created sections by twisting my hair. This is the hair I used. And all I'm doing is combing it out. For this demonstration, I'm using 2 strands of hair, ensuring I'm using gentle hands. And I first split my hair in half, and I start by putting the braiding hair over my hair. And then I twist one side of the braiding hair with one side of my hair. Then I cross that section over, and I start twisting the next section the same way. Here I'm just slowly showing the way that I twist. I twist each individual strand and then I cross it over. Twist each individual, then cross it over. And then I twist all the way to the end. I don't usually use gel in my hair, but I just wanted to show how it could be utilized in the front of my head. It helps with flyaways and making sure my hair doesn't peek out of the twists. Wax products work really nice for this too, and another way to ensure my hair doesn't peek through is by blow drying the hair first. Because I used none of those methods, my hair is peeking through, so I simply just tuck the hair back in and I go about my business. Here's what the twists look like using 2 strands of hair versus 1 strand of hair. I tried different methods to start the twists, and this was my favorite. I didn't like the rubber band crochet method, and I didn't like the braiding into a twist method. And again, I normally don't use gel, but I wanted to try it out, and this gel that I'm using is a wonderful black-owned gel that you can get more info about in my description box. For straight ends, I just stick my hair in hot water, and for curly ends, I braid, twist, or flexi rod the ends before dipping it in water. I have a few old videos on how I style twists and braids that I'll link in my description box, and I just love the end results. I appreciate the fact that these twists are so light, especially compared to box braids. Thanks so much for watching.